Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back in the kitchen. After being away from baking or cooking in the kitchen, today I decided that this episode is going to be one where I shall be making a ketogenic recipe, a keto dessert. So if you're interested to see me make a keto carrot cake, a lot of K's and C's there, please keep watching as I show you how to make this delicious dessert. I'm so happy that the muffins turned out. I'm always so unsure when I start these recipes because admittedly I'm actually testing them for the very first time in front of a camera. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you click that notification bell for all the upcoming videos. Please let me know in the commentary box below if it's more recipe videos that you want to see, or whether or not you want me to be filming different sites and places, or whether it's a mixture of both. I'm happy to hear all your opinions and your requests. So on that note, I'm going to end this video and get out of this kitchen. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So bye for now.